David Chytraeus de Ratione Discendi, episode 24. Et in studiis praecipue elaborant quae ad hos fines pluribus conferrunt. As Chytraeus continues, he uses another present subjunctive independently. So this is third plural, present, subjunctive, and active. I'll describe a little bit of the grammar this time before the translation. It is from the verb elaboro, like so, elaborare, like this, and the presence of the e there tells us that it is subjunctive, first conjugation, subjunctive. I say it's an independent subjunctive, which is a description of its usage, because it is not subordinate to another verb. It stands alone. It is independent. And let them work especially, praecipue. Praecipue is our adverb. Like many adverbs, it's formed from the adjective praecipuus a like so. And let them work especially in those areas of study, studiis. Here is neuter, plural, and ablative, object of the preposition in, and let them work especially in those studies. Then we get the relative clause from quae through conferrunt, and the antecedent of quae is studiis. So quae, neuter, plural, but whereas its antecedent is ablative, this one is nominative because it is the subject of its clause, the subject of conferrunt. Now, what are those studies in which they should especially labor? They are the ones which contribute, conferunt. So this is the verb confero, confere. It is an irregular third conjugation verb, contuli and collatus. And conferunt here then is going to be third plural, present, indicative, and active. Those studies that contribute the most, plurimum. So plurimum here we are taking as an adverb, and it is a superlative adverb. Some might want to take it as a neuter singular accusative substantive objective conferunt, but at least as I read the Lewis and Short dictionary, as Chytraeus, of course, is imitating classical style, I find that conferunt patterns more often with an adverb plurimum. So those which contribute the most or contribute the greatest amount, ad hos fines. The preposition ad takes the accusative, so hos fines, masculine, plural, and accusative, which contribute the most to these goals. Gratias vobis agimus. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed that lesson and that you learned something. To continue the free learning, check out the more than 2,400 lessons here on the channel. If you want to master the language, though, I suggest you join me as a channel member or on Patreon. You will get interactive quizzes, direct coaching, and personalized feedback so that you can really master the language, gain confidence, and have more fun with the things that we're doing. The lowest tier of membership starts at just $1.99. So I have to say, nolite amordrardri. What are you waiting for? Thanks again so much for watching, and vale tote omnes.